Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, let's see how to crochet this beautiful cowl. It's a very easy pattern. You can make it in any size. My cowl measures about 12.5 inches wide and 9.5 inches high. You can make it as wide and as high as you want. I used a self-striping yarn. It's called merry-go-round, and it's a medium worsted weight yarn or a category 4, but I find it heavier than the normal medium worsted weight that I have used. This ball has 157 meters of yarn. I used one ball and I used a 6 mm crochet hook. Check your gauge before starting. It's 12 double crochet stitches in 4 inches. Now make a slip knot and work 80 chains. Now if you want it in any other size, just make chains in multiples of 2. After completing the chains, we'll join the last chain to the first chain with a slip stitch, and be careful not to twist the chains. Okay, now work a slip stitch in the first chain. We'll start the first round. Make one chain. This will not count as a stitch, and work half double crochet in each chain around. To make half double crochet, yarn over hook, insert hook in the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops on the hook. So work half double crochet in each chain around. You will have the same number of stitches as the number of chains that you made initially. So here I'll have 80 half double crochet stitches at the end of the round. At the end, we will join the last stitch with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet stitch at the beginning. This completes the first round. Then chain 1. In the second round, we are going to work half double crochet stitches only into the back loops of each stitch. You can see a row of loops at the back of the stitch. Now in half double crochet stitches, there will be 3 loops, 2 at the top and 1 at the back. So we'll be working only into the loops that are at the back of the stitches. Work half double crochet into the back loops of each stitch around. The 2 top loops will form a beautiful braided texture at the front. After completing the round, join the last stitch to the first stitch with a slip stitch. You will have the same number of stitches. Start the next round with 5 chains. This counts as a treble and chain 1. Then skip the next stitch and into the back loop of the next stitch work a treble. Yarn over twice, insert hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then chain 1, skip the next stitch, yarn over twice, insert hook into the back loop of the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is the treble stitch. Continue this around. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and work a treble in the back loop of the next stitch. Finish the round with chain 1 and work a slip stitch in the 4th chain. Next round, chain 1, work a half double crochet in the same stitch, half double crochet in the next chain 1 space, repeat around, working half double crochet in each stitch and half double crochet in each chain 1 space. At the end of the round, join with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet. Then chain 1 and work half double crochet into the back loops of each stitch. This is a repeat of row 2. Repeat rows 2, 3 and 4 as many times as you want, finishing with row 2. This is my completed cowl. It measures about 12.5 inches wide. If you want in any other size, you can make chains in multiples of 2. The height is about 9.5 inches. So with the one ball of yarn, which is about 156 meters, I could reach 9.5 inches high. I hope you like this pattern. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.